Howdy folks, good morning. I'm here in Keechen, India, in the state of Rajasthan in the Thar Desert, and this is a very unique little village. There's a bird sanctuary just other side of the village, and hello, good morning, namaste. And they also feed cranes here in this spot right in front of me every morning and every evening throughout the winter. Then Demaswell cranes gather in this general area, and then they've learned that this is where the feeding happens. And that guy that you saw at the very beginning of the video there was just putting the grain out there. Unfortunately, I've just missed, just barely by a few days by the sounds of it, the full sort of magnificent spectacle of what I saw here 6 years ago when I visited before, of thousands of these cranes gathering in the air and swirling around to then land here to feed. The owner of my guest house here that I talked to yesterday late afternoon when I arrived said that only 32 cranes had showed up yesterday morning. So not expecting a spectacular sight, but hopefully at least a few of them will come in and then you can use your imagination. Alright, so I'm just going to hang out here for a little while, see if some of those cranes show up. Here they come. Cool, this is better than I expected. They're all hanging out together. And let's see if they turn around and come back and land. Maybe not. I guess they were just doing a flyby. We'll see, but there is another cool bird, peacock. So there we go, nice looking peacock there. I just learned yesterday that the peacock is actually the national bird of India. So we have the gathering of the pigeons, at least. Not quite as magnificent as the cranes, but they're going for that grain there. Whoop! A few more coming in. So I guess I'll have to come back again to get the full experience of the thousands of cranes that gather in this area throughout the winter. But at least I was able to show a little taste of the amazing birds of Keechen, India.